The demand and supply equations for books are given as follows. Quantity equals 250 minus 4 times P, and Q equals 6 times the price. And we have to determine the equilibrium price and quantity in this market and make a graph. So in order to solve this, what we have to do is we will start first with the graph. Uh, this is something that I always tell my student, and is that if you don't know what to do, make a graph. It will help you a lot. So in the vertical axis, we have the price. We are looking at the market of books. And in the horizontal axis, we have the quantity. And we have to start graphing the supply and demand. First, let's look what is the demand and what is the supply. In the second equation, if the price rises, we will see that the quantity increase. So this will be according to the law of supply, and this will be the supply. And in the first equation, if the price increase, with this minus sign will make a decrease in the quantity. So this will be the quantity demanded. So we will start with the supply. The supply that we will have is, if the price is 0, the quantity will be 0, 2. And if the quantity is 0, the price will be 0 too. So the starting point of the supply will be in the origin. And then we know that the supply has a positive slope, so this will be my supply. Here I don't mind personally if the supply is showing or not the inclination or the slope of the curve, but it will depend on your teacher. Then we have to graph the demand curve. And for that we will say, what happens if the price is equal to 0, and if the price is 0, the quantity demanded will be 250, right here. And if the quantity is 0, we will have that the price will be equal to 250 over 4, and that will be 125, and that will be 50 62.5. 62.5. Let me check this. 125, 250. Yeah, that's correct. And then we will link this both points, and we will have the demand. But this is just a graph. Let's go back to the question that says determine the equilibrium price and quantity in this market and make a graph. The graph is almost ready. We just need to find a price that will make this price of equilibrium here, that will make that the quantity demanded is exactly the same as the quantity supplied. And for that, we will write it: quantity supply equals quantity demanded. And we know that the quantity supply is 6 times the price, and this will equal 250 minus 4 times the price. With this, we can start working on that. We will add at both sides 4 times the price plus 4p, and this will give us that 10p. It's equal to 250. From here, we will divide by 10 at both sides, and we will have that the price will be equal to 25. So this is our price, and we have to take with what will be the quantity supplied and the quantity demanded. And for that, we're going to make it in both equations. So we're making sure that we are correct with all these calculations, and we will take the quantity supply equal 6 times the price, and the price is 25, so 6 times 25, and this will be equal to 150. And now we're going to take this result with the quantity demanded. That has to be the same because we started with this condition that I want to find a price where the quantity supply is equal to the quantity demanded, and the quantity demanded will be equal to 250 minus 4 times the price, but the price is 25. So the quantity demanded will be 250 minus 100, and the quantity demanded will be 150. And because both quantities, the quantity supplied and the quantity demanded, are the same, I am a little bit relaxed and convinced that all my calculations are correct. And the last step will be to show the equilibrium price, that is 25, right here, and to show the quantity, the equilibrium quantity, that will be 150. And with that, we're done, and that's the question. I hope you understand this. Any question, you can leave them below, and see you in the next video.